In today's video, I'll show you how to set up SMTP email sending in WordPress so your emails are delivered reliably and don't end up in spam folders. By default, WordPress uses PHP mail, which is not always dependable. Using SMTP connects your site to a trusted email service, improving deliverability and security. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the plugin section. Select Add New, then search for WP Mail SMTP. When it appears, click Install, and once the installation finishes, click Activate. After activation, WP Mail SMTP will appear in your dashboard. Open it and go to Settings. Start by entering the From email address. This should be the same email you plan to use with your SMTP service. Using a matching address helps your emails pass authentication checks. Next, enter the From name, which is the name recipients will see when they receive your emails. Using your website name works best. Now scroll down and choose your mail provider. You can select options like Gmail, SendGrid, or Mailgun depending on the service you use. Each provider may require additional details such as authentication keys or server information, so make sure those settings are filled in correctly. Once everything is configured, save your settings. Your WordPress site is now set up to send emails using SMTP, making your messages more reliable and professional. That's it. You've successfully configured SMTP email sending in WordPress. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more WordPress tutorials.